foul counted po.
Dalawa yung okay lang sana yung tapos.
Alexander one shot at number 3 number 6 Mr. Agus against number 5. Here we go to the ball. Address number 6 Mr. Agus 125. Agus is the one. Look for number 6 Mr. Agus number 9 20 1 11 10 9 8 7 just by the Brothers, 16 to 14, game clock 35 seconds. Number 5 is Sarah Campo. Big goal to Mr. Cortez. Shot clock 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Shot clock reset. Give it number 10. And a 3-1. Tingnan mo sa mga bulan. Under 18 to 14. Another 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 seconds at 3 segundo. 3 seconds, 3 seconds. 2, 1. And that's the end of first quarter. Official score is 18 to 14 at 4. Kakamahan ng Team Azul. Takbo tayo. First target sa number 4, number 14, Central Forward, Mr. Balio. In control number 14, is by number 15, Mr. Clarko. Back to number 14, Mr. Lee. There is by number 15. Looking forward, back to number 14, Mr. Lee. Central 14. Yes, Mr. 4, Mr. Balio. And the visual score is 20 to 16. This is Mr. Malek. May segundo sa 14 yan si Mr. Tabi. Visual score is 20 to 14 at 6 by 1 zero. Number 4 is up to 24 number 4 is Ender. And I think the drop only by
Nakalimwa niya kanyan. Nakalimwa niya. Yong! Nanalo ko kayo, Yong! Team foul. Yong! Why!
Manchester now shot clock 13, 2 home, 11, 10, 9, 8. Manchester now zero Christian 13 years Mr. Cabal. 3 minutes. Kita akan berhenti dengan dia di sini. Rival Joseph dan Mr. Cabal. Berat dari Bawang Putih. Against right of Joseph number 15 Mr. Pemati. Legat Boret. Masih Alisero number 4 Mr. And there is a whistle and dropping violation and good call.
Dia travel mo pare.
Traveling naman po yan. Wala sa travel to ang Mr. Legado. Game travel to Mr. Claudio. In control the ball. 41 game travel 15. Reto niya 1-3 ball. Put the way downtown. And a 2-song. 3-1 just up for yan si Mr. Malik. Nagawin na 40. Ang mali. Talang sobrang dahapon at answer. Travel. Bago ginawang bola na ay nang-start na si Mr. Baloyo. Tayo traffic tatawagan natin official. Okay ka lang sir, Mr. Balut. Okay lang po. Okay po Mr. Balut. Nakakapaglaro pa naman. Give it from Mr. Rosario. 3 minutes exactly. Give it from Mr. Liga. 3 minutes 6 Mr. Ralander sa isang no basket. Sa ilalim pa yan. Tatawagan ng ating official. And a foul of jersey number 30. Yan si Mr. Kembao. Second personal foul yung team foul number 1. For the innings, first 5 minutes action ball game for the second quarter, 3 minutes exactly. Inbound versus number 15, yan si Mr. Retuya. Inbound in the wall, long for Alisin, at nakakot ng parang ng 47 ulit kasi Alisin naman for the second 26, yan si Mr. Dalayon. Break down the ladder. Dalayon in control, and a penalty rising to the mid-guard. Yes, one is shooter, kasama 26, Mr. Dalayon, 20-16. John Simistan Neptuno, take control the ball, given the number 25, John Simistan Neptuno, gets one of J, Lulu one of J, Mamati, and a corner from the elbow, he is one and two, like the sound of the Mr. Mamati, 22-16. 2 minutes and 23 seconds. Looking for a mighty and then Rosario wide open. And now may one just as John Simistan Kamba, break down the 40 blue. Jumbo back in dati, and a penetrator running shot, in and out. Rebound to jersey number. Enter a solution, meron tayong ball down to jersey number 30. Sa number 13, Mr. Kambao, pangatlo mo na yan, Mr. Kambao. Big ball number 2. 2 minutes and 3 seconds remaining time. Sa ating first 5 minutes action ball game sa ating second quarter. 2 minutes exactly. Number 26, given to number 20, Mr. Gladio, in control the ball, and there is a whistle and a trapping violence on turnover. And a good goal to our official ball play for the Team Blue. Unang-una natin dribble, sir, bago tayo mag-step. In Bargers number 4, Mr. Namalay, given to number 29, Mr. Lamti. In control the ball, for the Team Blue, yes, by number 20, Mr. Gladio. Behind the number 25, Neptuno. Neptuno, there is got the second and 2, in the mid-range shot for the short. Rebound jersey number 12, in control the ball, given to number 26, Mr. Dalayon, 1 minute and 26 seconds remaining time. Dalayon and a penalty enter, so whistle to win. Ay foul itawag sa ilalim, kaya itawag ng jersey number 14. Yan si Mr. David.
Time out!
Time out 2, 1:34.
Wala pa sir, team foul number 3 lang pa.
One minute and 24 seconds remaining time. Marathon, side ball inbound. 1 minute 34 seconds remaining time. Inbound versus number 15, yan si Mr. Claudio. Give it to number 15, Retuya. Back to number 15, Claudio. In control the ball. Looking for the open man. 3 seconds to number 15, Retuya. And the first shot of 14. 13. 12 shot clock is at 14. 13. Wala pa rin yan. Double is 14. 13, 12, and pinasa sa ating official papatay for the team. Gusto nila isa siya ay hindi. Inbound number 14 is David, given to him number 29 is Mamati. 1 and 10. Number 14 is David, against number 12, the big guy, 25. Second third judge is Kambao, and of course, check up 14, 15, 12, 11, 10, 9. Ito na siya, tapos siya, number 14. 12, 11, the shot clock reaches for the number 26, get back at 48 seconds. Dalayon in control, got back still, manakita number 26, Mr. Dalayon, Wilson, and basketball, manakita number 26, Mr. Dalayon. And a basketball, just number 14, Mr. David, second person for you, warning for penalty. And the official score is 22-18. Game clock, 41 seconds in the time for the first play, section for the second quarter. Let's see the first official of the big guy, number 26, Mr. Dalayon, is Enifar, and number 2, Mr. Rafa, and now outside the one to collect time for the Team Blue, Mama time for the Team White, turnover, 39 seconds, 39 segundo, Iman just number 15, give it to Mr. White, underneath the basket, and long and short, offensive representing Mr. Kambao, and a push with the drop for Mr. Kambao, and the big one, and now and the solution that I use for tama naman, tumukod yung kamay ng number 13, Mr. Kambao. Kambao, number 13, 1 for grabbing for personal foul at masakipan. Nasa penalty pa ibibigay ng ating official. Penalty na tayo, official. Penalty. Number 13, Kambao, 1 for grabbing for personal foul. Ayan, hindi mo pwede papantal si Mr. Kambao. Nando 29 seconds pa po tayo, 29 segundo. Tama naman, tumukod yung kamay ng mga Mr. Kambao. Unang kapusto para kay Jessica Rosario. For last 29 seconds for first 5 minutes action ball game. First side. And number 4 like the bounce. Let's try. Ready? wing jumper. 22-18. Apat pa rin kalaman ang nakasul. Last throw para kay Jinda Rosario. Hand speed. Game clock at 20 seconds later. Set number 14. And now the ball ng Anderson. And ball inawa si Mr. Gambao. Basket count of our person number 26, Mr. Calea. First personal bowling team for number 1. Let's see the first free throw for person number 13, Mr. Gambao. 16 seconds. Last shot for the debate. Sakali ng Maribong for last 16 seconds on the game clock. Wala na shot clock yan. Let's see the west side for number 13. Bonus free throw for number 13, Mr. Gambao. And number 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's the end. The first 5 minutes for the second quarter. Second 5, pasok na po kayo. Yan yung lima ng kabila. Lumandin ang labor si White. Pasok na po kayo. Blue ball. Nice yung blue ball po tayo dito lang. Mananatili pa rin tayo sa blue. Pagdating ng third quarter, babalik tayo. Lilipat naman tayo sa white. Pag walang jump ball po yan. Last 5 minutes as well ball game sa aming Bursa. In one person number 6, Mr. Agos give down with Mr. Cortez. In control of for the team blue. Looking for some time, Mr. Mara, wide open from the way down. And a full shot. Shot number 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Raymond Joseph after the Mr. Choa. When we say down 5, then Mr. Mega. Rather off the ball. Or there's a 3-meter for the team blue. Looking for some time, Mr. Sarana and pull up. And short. Raymond Joseph number 6, that's Mr. Agos brings down the board team blue. Agos Gutter looking for a streak. Importing up him on. And a third time there's no whistle. Step cross right on the official sa ilalim pa yun. No basket sa ilalim pa sa ating official and falling matawag ng jersey number 38. Yan si Mr. Serrano. Serrano ang number 8 first personal for UP for number 2. In one personal game 7 yan si Mr. Paulet. Give it to Mr. number 6 Mr. Agos. Yan ang pausa. Third personal 6 Mr. Agos. Official score is 26-19. Leading 7-20 para Tito. The number 5, and next to number 19, Mr. Bison. Yes, one is your third number 19, Mr. Bison, 21-26. 3 minutes and 40 seconds remaining time. Number 6, Mr. Aguilas, in control the ball for Tito. Even the number 6, Mr. Paul, back number 6, Aguilas, sitting around for the way down the ball, shot 14, 13, 12. 11, 20 shot na set number 14, 13, 21 berikan nomor 14, 13, 12 seconds of shot na menarik kita bertimbul 12 seconds of shot na labing dalawa sa ating shot na 11, 10, 9, in and out, rebound, offensive rebound, set tayo official. Blue ball, shot up 14 seconds on the shot clock. 14 seconds on the shot clock for the team blue. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. And there's only 7 traveling for Anderson. Third number for the blue white basketball. 3 minutes and 1 second remain time, 3 and 1. For the first half, second quarter. 3 minutes and 1 second for person number 10, giving us number 5. That's Mr. Ocampo, brings up the gun for team 1. Against Valentine, Mr. Mata. Ocampo, with our ball against Valentine, low first rate, looking for the man. And a penalty, receiver number 27, Mr. Ocampo, with number 20, and Mr. Cortez, brings up there, and a penalty situation. Cortez and a penalty, and a Punrabi is one issue for person number 20, Adonis Cortez, 28-21. 2 and 30. Looking for Mr. 38, Serrano from the baseline jumper. And sure, Offensive one given to number 6 and Mr. Angelus. And a 3-on-3 situation. Angelus at the end of the opportunity. One of the substitutions to Mr. Sarafat given to number 13, Mr. Ochoa. Ochoa in front of this one against Mr. Paul Anderson. Whistle and a basket down to number 13, Mr. Ochoa. Ball goes to number 27, Mr. Paul. Number 27, Paul, first personal foul on you. Let's reverse the throw para jersey number 13, Mr. Ochoa. And now the bench is over, jersey number 29, breaking down the diner. That's Mr. Netuno. In control, 25-28. Gibara and a penalty, and there is a whistle double. And the ball, 2 shots water, the ball jersey number 5. That is Mr. Ocampo, second personal foul on team number 3. Let's have a first try by Mr. Mr. Gibara. And it's good, number 7, Mr. Gibara, let's see the 3-4, good jumper. Last row for Mr. 59, 55, Mr. Gibara. In Zenifar, on the second try, and make it 2 on the 2. 2 minutes exactly. One of 5 is on the ground, break down against one of 20, Mr. Cortez. Lingard for him, he's gonna look for the young man. Look was under the traffic landing, this and there is a whistle that playing loose ball in the out with jersey number 6, Mr. Aguilus penalty. Aguilus number 6, first personal foul on you. Game clock 1 minute and 45. Coming time 1:45. Last 5 minutes na lang po tayo. Sa ating second quarter. First right goal para Pakistan. Ocampo is goal. Let's see the second right. One jumper 26-13. Last ball para number Pakistan Ocampo. And now with offensive rebound by Mr. Pakistan. Put back. And now Ocampo is goal. Now just Mr. Ochoa. Yes, Mr. 13. Mr. Ochoa. 20-13. 1 minute and 32 seconds to time. Number 15, Mr. Cortez, in control of the ball. And a penalty, checking out, given to number 59, Mr. Gibara, to number 37, Mr. Paul. And a penalty, given to number 6, number 13. 12, yes, 1-0, Mr. Agnes, 22-28. Walling control, Joseph number 2. Look for some outside time for a team like blue. Basketball, 1 minute and 5 seconds, remaining time, 1-5, so I think, Bursa. Second quarter, in ball goes up to Mr. Matakin, Mr. 59 against Mr. Gibara. In control of the ball for a Tiklo against point jersey number 10. Looking for number 6, Mr. Aguilera, and break given to number 7. An extra pass number 10, Mr. Paul Bata. And a check 14. 13, and there is a whistle. Goal point jersey number 19, Mr. Dison. Team foul number 4. Number 19, Dison, second personal foul you. Warning for penalty. And a 2 shots to 1 5 just have been 7, Mr. Paul. For last 50 seconds, remaining time for the second quarter. Let's see the first half of 27, Mr. Paul. One of 5 was ball. And short. Let's see the second one. Ready jumper, 32-28. Last row, for number 27, Mr. Paul. In Zenifar. And no good. Offensive one, jersey number 30, Mr. Ochoa. Back to number 5, Mr. Ocampo. Ocampo in control and a penetrated running shot. And now the offensive number 27, Mr. Portillo in a 3-2 situation. Game clock at 46 seconds to the time. Mr. Paul and number 19, Mr. Rizal, looking for number 13, Serrano. Against white jersey number 6, and it's on the ball from the 17th line. And now the jersey number 59, Mr. Gibara. Game clock 24, 23, 22, 21, 20. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Last 8 seconds remaining time. Walang sumunod na lambi sa ating second quarter for last 8 seconds. 8 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's the end. First half of the score is 34-28. Favor of Team Blue. Tama, nagdalawang jump ball tayo kanina, Mr. Corres. Dalawang jump ball natin kanina, dalawa. Wala may tingnan sa aking number 20 years si Mr. Claudio sa gitna. Ano sila doon sa number 25, Frank John Donner. In corner yan si Mr. Neptune. Kimatara po isa mo ito number 25. And a pay, and a penetrate. Pulmos doon sa dumon ng sila sa aking Mr. Claudio. 14-1, in corner back ko ng King Retuya. Frank John Donner, 14-1. Retuya mulai mencapai depan ng Josie Mr. Cabal. Give it number 12. Liga, and a penetrate to the next sisi ini. Outside the good save, shut down 30, 11, and now we're back to the just a big activation down to the NFP. Give a throw for Mr. Baulay, and he put up some Mr. Baulay, and it's down to the Mr. Campbell, and now the Mr. Petty and pump ball by and ball with the number to Mr. Baulay, second time. That's what is one for just a report to Mr. Baulay, 36-28. 4 minutes exactly, something to go. Check one, nasa sa number ni Mr. Cabal. Reminder lang, Mr. Cabal, ano goal natin, 4 ka na. In one of the things Mr. Rosario, looking for some around 26 Mr. Cabal, and bola. And a 3 jumper, Raymond Casas din na Mr. Mamati, break jumper for Tito, with control the ball. Mamati, and a penetrate and a running shot, and out the window. And versus the 29 Mr. Mamati, 38-28. Kalabangan ng Team Blue. Wala siya drag with Mr. Claudio. Looking for a rating dan Rosario. And a bola from Diego and up the gas. Offensive number 26. That's Mr. Vallejo in control. Shot up 40, 12, 11. And it's still a just number 27 number 13. Cabal all alone. Yes, what is it? Just a Mr. Cabal. Time out wide. 40-28. 3 minutes and 2 seconds, different time, 3 and 2.
Pwede po, third quarter na po kap. Dapat po tapan 2 minutes. May pagaling po yung kanina. Ali, pag time out na po, kasi fourth quarter na itong nala time out. Eh, pag may pagal, kailangan pagaling may tayo pang matas bayo ko yung pagaling.
Berikut teammate agak kita tanya sa ating third quarter. Pwede bukuha sa ating fourth quarter dan pagdating ng fourth quarter bagi isa na lang. Igual dia sedang mempunyai Master Retuya kita terang fizikan Mr. Claudio. Claudio for the ball. Claudio gains got against by the team Mr. Cabal. Looking for speed, looking for the upper man. Give it to number 18. Dan Rosario from the way downtown. Shut down 14. 13. Shut down rejected. There's a whistle. And the ball just number 29 is Mamati. Mamati number 29. Second personal ball, you team point number 1. Shot clock 14 sa ating shot clock for team 1. 30, 12, 11. Shot clock reset number 1 finish sa tabi. Nagawin nila for team 2. Break down the ladder. And a ball to situation. Look for team 5. Neptuno and a back team sa 11. Yes, right. So for team 5 is Neptuno. 42-25. Bola siya terbaik dari Rosario. Looking for tayo kasama din dito. Offensive rebound. Mananatili for the Blue. Number 25 is shot at 12. Give it to Mamati. In control ng ball for the Blue. Mamati berhenti di sekitar NFL. Kailan ball foul. Nanatili na check ball. And yes, one right ball for the Jason Green. That is Mamati. Warning for the make the game. Just number 14 is Mamati. 44-28. 2 minutes exactly. Bola sudah serang untuk tinggal sedikit Retuya. Ini di sini dapat 20. Claudio. Serang untuk tinggal Retuya. From the window. And now the Messiah dan Turma. Para 26 dan Mr. Vallejo. 140. 14. Kalaman Team Blue. 44-30. Give it to number 29 Mamati. In control the ball. Looking for number 25 Neptuno. Shot clock 16. 15. 14. 13. 12. 11, 10, yes, one, two, three, 5, get two now. Look up from Tinder, give it up, give it Rosario. 1-15 for the first 5 minutes as for the third quarter. Rosario in control, liberating from the way downtown. Yes, sir, got Rosario. 3 points. 1 minute exactly. Number 4, the veterans, Mr. Valio, in control the ball. Game clock at 50 seconds remaining time. Shot clock at 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Shot clock is at 14, 13. Shot clock is at 3 Mr. Valio. Game clock at 33 seconds. Dalian, Pablo. Wala sa terakhir Mr. Madi, game terakhir Mr. Valio. Valio ketiga ingin namun Mr. Campbell from the baseline, and off the window. Number 13, that's Mr. Campbell. Game clock 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Number 14, Mr. Nabi. Official score is 50 to 36. Okay, second 5, pasok na po kayo. For last 5 minutes action, walking sa ating 10th quarter, second 5 for the both teams. Pasok na po kayo. 50, 36 at 14. Kalamangan ng Team Blue. Last 5 minutes action, ball game. Iman versus 5 meter turn to Mr. Achola, number 5. That's Mr. Okapo. Brings up the 41. Okapo is slowly through the ball against one number 20, Mr. Cortez. Okapo did his target against one number 20. Give it to number 19, Mr. Vision. 100 shot and now with shot number 14 and a put back for versus number 18. That's Mr. Vision. One versus Vision. Give it to number 6, Mr. Aguilas. Breaks off the runner. In control of the corner. Against one number 13, give it to number 10, Mr. Bata, sa ilalim. Number 29, Mr. Guevara, shot number 14. 13, and shot number 7, Messi rebound. No man is lower than jersey number 2, Mr. Apat na ng Olympus. Meron tayong hawangan dyan sa ilang for jersey number 6. That is Mr. Aguilos, team ball number 2. Number 6, Aguilos, second personal ball in use. In one versus 5, give it to number 13, Mr. Achoa. Bring down the back to our 5 Okapo. Okapo in control of the ball and brings down the 41 against one number 20, Cortez. Okapo did this guy and a very Jensen. And the ball goes to number 20, Mr. Bata. Second personal ball in your team, ball number 3. Team ball number 3, ball number 3. Give it to number 5, Mr. Okapo. In control of the ball against 5 versus number 20, Mr. Bata. Shot number 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. And now on this ball, number 6, Mr. Aguilas about to give it to Chiki. Cortez, and a third thing, give it to number 10, Mr. Bata. Yes, why is it right number 10, Bata? 52 to 38. 3 and 30. Number 5, Mr. Okapo. Sana Martin, Mr. Okapo, and a Stevens like Aigan. Ball up to Mr. Okapo, 14. Give it to Mr. Number 10, Mr. Bata, number 4. All alone. No, and a ball for number 20, Cortez. Para lang jadi Mr. Cortez 54 to 38. 3 minutes 10 for last 5 minutes action ball game sa ating third quarter 54 to 38. Lagi pa sila tayo 38 Serrano holding the ball Mr. Right for Mr. Jason Rodriguez Serrano 40 54 2 and 15. Shot up 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Yes, got another shot from our just number 6, that's Mr. Aguilas, 56 to 40. Ball number 5 is set up for our finish captain, and a shot of 20. Yes, one is for just number 5 is set up for 2 and 20. Number 6, Mr. Aguilas. And we get a one ball for the Team Blue in control of the ball. Look for the other man, shot up 14, 13, 12 shot, number 7, number 20, Mr. Achoa. Break down the ball, 2 1 against 1 of 59, give it to Mr. 5. Yes, Mr. Okapo, and a very lays up and over the court. A base hit, and a put back. And yes, one is for just number 13. Mr. Achoa. Mr. Matagas for the chance to get Mr. Serrano. Looking for number 59, Gibara. 1:45. Shot number 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Anas Stevens tangan. Good ball yan. 130. 125. Shot number 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. And there is a whistle. And there is a whistle. Long at a time ball is now the jersey number.
All away from the ball, number
And the
5.
ball from the away from the ball, jersey number 5 is Sterling God. Third person follow you, team ball number 1. Mayor Sancho. Shalak 14, 13, 12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Yes, what is your jersey number 6 is John Aguilar. 58 to 44. Jersey number 27. Jersey number 27 Mata. And it's in the game ground at 50 seconds left to time, and there is a whistle zone. Number 5 is Sarah Ocampo, third person following this is Mr. Lugan.
Number 6, ah.
1 for taking on jersey number 6 Mr. Agnes for the team blue. Runner number 10 is Mr. Mata. Warning for the players, Mr. Agnes. Ito yung partner ko. Warning for technical for jersey number 10 is Mr. Mata for the second to go to our official. Number 5 is Mr. Lugan, third person following number 12 is Mr. Lugan. Ako yung personal foul niya, dalawa. Wala. Number 5, tatlo na umaya sa Mr. Ocampo. Number 5 is Mr. Ocampo. In control, and there is a whistle zone. He's at the work for jersey number 20. That's Mr. Cortez. First person following one equivalent to 14 foul. And a two shots sa 1 Mr. 5 is Mr. Ocampo. Ocampo, number 5, third personal following. Number 12, Ligad, second personal following. Two shots para 5 Mr. Ocampo. Let's go. Let's see Mr. Ibrahim. One number 45 to 58. Last row, para 5 Mr. Ocampo. One jump for last 20 seconds. Time 40 seconds. Last row, para number 5. Ready, set the bar. Hand out. Iwan jersey number 6, Mr. Aguilos. Iwan the ball. And after the ball, continue. Mr. 59 Mr. Gibara. Gibara in control. And a plan slicing. Sudah kita tindakan nila. Number 37 na benar. Meron tayo Rancho Ball. Ito ang jersey number 38. Yan si Mr. Serrano. Serrano second personal ball in your team. Number 2. And a two shots one by number 37, Mr. Paule from the 15. First round of Mr. Paule. And number, let's see the drive. One jump on the official score is 58 to 45. Last over, there's number 27, Ocampo. And speed. Runner Mr. Paule. Clock 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. There's a whistle, that's 8 seconds. The ball jersey number 20. 27, Mr. Paule. Penalty. Last 8 seconds, time Paule number 27, second personal following you. One person of the Mr. Claudio Gibson by Mr. Ocampo breaks down there against one person of Mr. Cabal. Ocampo, camera number 6, Mr. Galeon. Ocampo did this gun. Shot number 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. 9 shot number 7. No, bad score. Walang video sa number 6. Isa agos na banda for video. Number 6. And control. And there is a whistle. Tama naman. Double dribble. While isa na third number for the team blue. White basketball. 3 minutes and 55 seconds. From time 3 and 55. 60 to 57. At aning para mga team blue. Given drop 26. Round 6 is Zaltalem. Against by number 6. Line number 14. And the drop okay. And there is a whistle. Basketball by number 26. Mr. Zaltalem. For the illegal cylinder. Basketball. Upon jersey number 25. Yan si Mr. Left to third personal foul nyo. Let's see the ball is free throw para kay jersey number 26, Mr. Talion. 3 minutes and 44 for the Boros. Penalty by CP for jersey number 12, Mr. Left to 26, Nico Dennis. Now this is a good masuk. Terus Warren, upon jersey number 40, Mr. David. Ayan, pak-apat mo na yan, Mr. David. Warning for David, fourth personal foul nyo. Let's see the first side, Boros number 36, Mr. Talion. From the 15, unang pagbusto. And now, let's see the second play. Working jumper, and the business score is 63-59. Apat pa rin kalaman ng Azul. Last row, para jersey number 26, Mr. Talion, NSP.
Tamburin na nga, usok po, tamburin na.
3 and 40. In bottom jersey number 5 pula, Mr. David. Pang-apat na personal, panunod kay Mr. Capao. Fourth personal foul. Number 14, Mr. David. In control the ball. Looking for the against by number 5, Mr. Ocampo. Back to number 6, Mr. Aguilos. In control the ball, shot clock 14. 12. 11 shot clock, Mr. number 5. That's Mr. Ocampo. In against by number 7, Mr. Capao. Ocampo, ang alasan niya na baby and a ball. Offensive option ni Mr. Claudio and a football. Just up to Mr. Claudio, 62-63. Wala just up to Mr. Capao. With control the ball at isa na lang kalangan ng team blue. Even number 25, Mr. Neptuno. And a bola, Papiago. And a shot to the Mr. There time ball shot. And a ball jersey number 20. Mr. Claudio. Wala pa, yung number 2 pa lang sila. 3 minutes exactly. 3 minutes exactly. Inbound version number 6, Mr. Jim Brown, Mr. Capao. Shot up 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Nice attack on the Mr. Capao. Drop by Mr. Capao. 59, Mr. Capao. Looking for number 2, Mr. Ochoa. 2 and 45. Drop it in 6 there. This is Mr. Capao. Mr. Capao. And number 13, Mr. Capao. Capao graduate by personal foul and use penalty. 63-62. And a 2-shot corner by personal game 6, Mr. Caleb. 2 minutes and 41 seconds, 7 time, 2 and 41. Unang pagpusto para din si Mr. Caleb, 63 all. Pagpasok po niyan, time out po kayo. Last row, para din 6, Mr. Caleb. One jumper, into 64. And now, offensive rebound sa Angeles na Wilson. Loose ball foul. Pamayan at paamalit sa tawag para kay jersey number 5. Time out. Upon jersey number 5, Mr. Ocampo. Pag-apat mo na rin yan, Mr. Ocampo. Warning to you for personal foul. And official score 63 all.
Captain ball, captain ball.
Time out ng blue, isa na lang. Two minutes 40 seconds remaining time, 2 and 40. Official score is 63 all. Yes, boss, 240. Inbound, jersey number 7, Mr. Pauling, given to number 6, runs Mr. Agus. Labing akin kanina, kalaman ngayon. Tabi na tayo sa 63 all. Looking for Simit, going for number 27, Mr. Pauling. Shot up 40, 30, and ang combat for offensive jersey number 6, runs Mr. Dagan. Mr. Lord, ball jersey number 27, Mr. Pauling. Penalty na tayo dyan. Kanina pa sa penalty. Number 27, Mr. Pauling. Third personal foul you. Penalty na, ayun, official. Sa taas na tayo, 16 foul. Hindi na pala kahit ang player ba penalty pa rin sila. And a 2 shots para jersey number 26, Mr. Takiwa.
Kahit ako, tinawagan kaninang ganun eh.
sa shaded area sa orange. Hindi ba?
Also, dito tayo sa team 2. Blue. 3 seconds pa ay siya papalawa naman sa mga sister player.
Huwag na yan, paliwanag lang.
Ball versus number 16 down to the ball. Mr. Captain of our position, Mr. Agnes. 2 minutes and 8 seconds to make time. Look for the divide, Mr. Latuno. In control of the ball.
Wala sa labas siya, di ba? Oh, di ba? Nasa
Last minutes. Shot up
Sa orange, wala yun.
40. 13 and there's only set
Pwede,
outside.
balik na susunod. Hindi, ayos lang nila sino kapulit naman dito. Lapping. Sa kanila yun. Hindi ulit. Technical tayo mag-lapping. Sa kanila yung warning kanina, boss. Hindi sa amin. Sino follow muna? 30. Piggy follow. Technical tayo. Walang power taking ba? Yung nag-warning kanina, boss. Sila ang nag-warning kanina.
Hindi, yung blocking natin kanina.
Blue kanina.
Yung kanina, yung warning for delay in the game, si Mr. David Jones.
Si Mr. David John, boss, hindi
Warning wala
white
pa tayo.
yun.
Si warning for delay in the game, sinabi 14 Mr. David.
Kaya warning pa lang kami yan.
Hindi ba sila?
Hindi.
Number 14 niya, warning for Lapi. Lapi ay warning for delay in the game, si Mr. David. Wala pa tayong pinipili.
Lapi pa lang.
Technical for Lapi.
A technical foul versus number 20, Mr. Chowa for Club Clubbing. No foul versus number 20, Mr. Chowa. One technical free throw plus ball possession. 1 minute and 55 seconds, second time, the official score is 64 to 63. Hindi na pwede mula rin kasi under 2 minutes lang pila 64 all. One and 55. Look for the number for Mr. David. David David is against Mr. Paul against by Mr. 13. Looking for everyone. After 25 Katuno. Shot up 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Shot up. Put back on 25. Is going to be Mr. 59. Time out wide. One against the red card.
Kumugin, masapit mo rin.
Na.
Loob kumugin, masapit mo rin.
1 minute and 46 seconds at 24 sa ating shot clock. Dimension number 12 is Mr. Ricardo brings down the 1 minute and 30 seconds to the red card. Number 5 is Mr. Combo in control of the ball. 1 minute and 26, shot clock 14, 13, 12, 11, and a shot clock is in the middle, shot clock 14, 13, 12, 11, yes, one is the third, just number 5 is Mr. Combo, 66 all. Wala 14, division number 6, Mr. Angus in control of the ball. Looking for the game number 14. That is Mr. David against one number 20, Mr. Chowa. We're looking for the game by shot number 14. 1 minute exactly. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and one out of just number 30, Mr. Roger all alone. In and out. 43 seconds to the time. Sayang yan, paglaban na yun. Travel is Sabani, and the penalty is through, and the series, and the basket drop, and the board for Mr. David. And the patient actually hindi pumasok ng ganyan Roger. Basket drop, upon first number 12, that's Mr. Ligan. Warning for David for personal foul.
Warning.
14 sa akin the penalty, 68 to 66, 37 seconds to the time. 14 meron pang isang timeout. First and 15. Big clock, 40 seconds to the remaining time. Look for Mr. 5, big clock is para 14. Look for Mr. Mr. Zone, time ball is now with jersey number 6, and Mr. Aguilas penalty. Aguilas third personal foul on you. 24 seconds on the game clock. 24 segundo. 24 seconds. Penalty na yan ng kabila. Number 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, and there is no whistle, no last 30 seconds, back in foul by 30 seconds of controversy, number 6 penalty. Again, 1 programming, 4 personal foul, 13 seconds on the impact at 1 shot clock yan, 69 to 67. Pag pumasok yung muli, mayroon pa po yung isang timeout, 13 seconds. First side, one version of the 6 Mr. Toleon. Una pagpus doon, humabot. Let's see the second try, 20 jumper. 13 seconds, wala ng shot clock yan. Shot clock is off, 69 to 67. 4 teams are in the penalty. 13, 2 meters of whistle. As well as the ball version number 25, Mr. Neptuno. Neptuno. Warning for Bradwin, 4 personal foul, 12 seconds. 12 seconds. And it's good, 68 to 67. Rather, 67 to 69 to 68. Sige, pag nasa yan, automatic time out there, 12 seconds. Time out to 69 all. Against on the game clock, 1 shot clock, 69 all. Number 2, Obligat, warning for Bradwin, 4 personal foul. Number 25, Neptuno, warning for Bradwin, 4 personal foul.
Wala magko-cover, wala magko-cover.
1 second. 69 all. All teams are in the penalty. One second. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Unextension by hit overtime, 69 all. Both teams take isa na lang po yung time out ko. Both teams dahil diretso po tayo sa ating mga penalties.
Coach, sa extension namin po kasi yan eh. Kasi meeting lang po, wala na pong carry over.
Number 1 is Zero Mamasaka. And first section sa overtime sa ating last set para po ng game. For the this is Mr. Leon. Shut down the team. 14. Yes, one is Mr. Leon. 71 to 69. Wala po team Mr. Tawi, bring down Tanner, in control the ball for team is only the ball, looking for his number 27 years Mr. Paulen. Paulen is started, looking for the shot of the team. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, and it's taking him down 5. It's a Ocampo, all alone. Yes, right, so by Mr. Ocampo, 73 to 69. One is number 25, Ocampo, Mr. David, right down there for Team Blue, against point person number 20, Mr. Claudio. David Valentin is got there, known for the invitation with number 6, Mr. Angles from the way down south, and now the Mr. number 20, secure the ball, that's Mr. Ochoa, number 6, Mr. Leon, against point person number 27, Mr. Paulen. The Leon, the pass given to by Mr. Ocampo, and now the short, point person number 6, Mr. Angles gives to number 27, Paulen. He control the ball, 3 minutes and 45 seconds remaining time. Paulen, and it's up from the rainbow, and now the point person number 26, Mr. Leon, right down the ball, 14, and he's in. That is the man, given this was number 14, Mr. David, and it burns. Yes, one is over, Mr. 14, Mr. David, 71 to 73. Wala na opportunity, Mr. Claudio, give it to number 5. In control the ball, Mr. Ocampo. Slowly give it to number 26, Mr. Nelson. Mr. 2 shots over the ball, person number 27, Mr. Paulen. Paulen number 27, warning for grabbing, pang-apat mo na rin yan, Mr. Paulen. 4th personal foul. And the 2 shots for just number 26, Mr. Takion from the 15-foot line. First try, in school. Let's see the second try, with jumper 74 to 71. Let's hit the second try. Let me get 2. Adjust number 6, Mr. Leon. Ball is now 14. That's it is there. David against by number 20. Look for number 27. That's Mr. Paul against by number 20. Shut up 15. 14. 13. 12. 11. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. And it's number 6 and Mr. Leon. Looking for number 5, Mr. Ocampo. Give it to number 20, Mr. Leon. The back pedal. Give it to number 26. The line approach from the 15 and short. Offensive rebound of jersey number 20. There is a Mr. Low. Reaching for it now with jersey number 5. Yes, Mr. Ocampo. Ocampo, Broadway, 5 personal foul. 2 and 41. Penalty. Official score is 75 to 71 at 4 kalamangan ng team. Why? Unang promotor para dyan sa number 55, 59 Ibarra. First try. Unang promotor para 59 Sir Ibarra School. Let's see the second try. Good jumper. 75 to 72. Second try. And now the Messi 51 just now for him Mr. Zabi against by number 13. A fadeaway shot on the design and short. Shut down 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. And now the Messi rebound and 0. Number 10 last touch on number 27. Foul at perfect time for the team blue. 2 and 25. White basketball. The Badgers number 6 is under activity number 20 and waiting as Mr. Claudio. Breaking down the looking for the of the month number 12, back on the 20 Claudio. Facing the number 18. That was Rosario, sucking down yet is under Rosario 77 to 72. Number 14, in the number 27, Mr. Paule. And a 7 foul on the way downtown and short. Offensive rebound number 12, that's Mr. Legard. Last 2 minutes. And there's a whistle ball for just number 59. Mr. Ibarra, second personal foul, your penalty. 1 and 57. 1 minute 57 seconds, 14 shot in the penalty. Number 27, Paul out. Yeah, number 29 is Mati. 1 and 57. One of Papa, one of 12 is on the guard from the 15-foot line. And short on the first line. Official score is 77 to 72. At Lamang Naliba ang P1. 1 and 57. The second try. And now with emergency number 6 shots, Mr. Aguilar breaks down with his number 56, De Leon. Why give it to number 57 mid? Against the mid by number 26, Mr. De Leon. Honest to his point, the baseline was shot from the last. Emergency number 12, give it to number 26, Mr. De Leon. Give it to number 20, Claudio. Claudio breaks down with his by number 59, Ibarra to number 13. That's Mr. Ochoa. 1 minute and 45 seconds remaining time. Shut up down to 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. 9, 8, 7. Oh yes, one is for just after 13, Mr. Ochoa. 1 minute and 18. Number 29 is Mati. Looking for number 25. That turn up from the ring ball. And now 1 minute and 10. Lingard brings down the ladder. Looking for number 26, Mr. De Leon. In control of his right, number 29 is Mati. 1 exactly. Shut up 16. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and shut down Lucas. Give Black 40 seconds remaining time. Even the number 29 is Mati, and a penalty and a scoop and now with offensive rebound on jersey number. And there is a reason that I official. And upon jersey number 14, Mr. David. David, graduate 5 personal foul you, 33 seconds. And a team shot for jersey number 18, Mr. Rosario. 33 segundos. Let's see the first shot for jersey number 18, Mr. Rosario for the 33 seconds to the time. That look. First round, rating is the Rosario. That is good. Let's hit the second one. Good the jumper. 33 segundos. Last throw para el Chinese Sergio Jumper. 85. Number 59. Range Jumper and Chinese Sergio Ibarra. 30 seconds remaining time. Ibarra in control against Barber 12 seconds and there's no whistle, no basket, so the referee will say Alfred now with jersey number 18 is the Serbia penalty. First personal foul, 23 seconds remaining time. Make it buena promoción para el Cesar 29 Sergio Ibarra. 23. First right. And it's good. Last throw para el jersey number 59 is Sergio Ibarra, ready jumper. 23 seconds remaining time. And Sergio Ibarra, and Sergio Ibarra, in and out. 22, 21, 20, 19, last 19 seconds. Upon jersey number 87 is Sergio Paule. Penalty, foul leg, runway, 5 personal foul yun. Yan, 5 personal na po sa ating Barangay Captain Mr. Paule, 5 personal foul yun, 19 seconds on the big clock at 1 push at Lakyan. First right. Ano ang first right for Mr. Joa. Last throw para Mr. Rajawa, and it's good. 19 seconds remaining time, 19 seconds. 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. And that's it. Congratulations, Team White, and to the